In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix media creation tool error. So what we're going to do is right-click media creation tool and then go to properties. So in here, you can see the unblock and then click on apply and press OK. Okay, so next we will be needing to install the Easy Fix. So to be able to do this, open up your browser and then go to the official website of Microsoft. So once you're done typing in, just click on Contact Us. So once open, you just have to type in the search bar area this title, update to enable TLS 1.1 and TLS 1.2 as default secure protocols in HTTP in Windows. So once you type in, this will show up. So just scroll down until you find the Easy Fix under registry information. So just have to click the Easy Fix, and then it says here to add the default. Just click here. Let's just click that one, and then it will start downloading. So as you can see here, it's already done. So I just locate the file folder and put it here on my desktop. So once opening, just click on I agree right here at the bottom and then click on apply. So let's just wait for this to load up. And it's done. Just go ahead and click the close button in here. So once we're done with the Easy Fix, let's go ahead and open Media Creation tool again. So right click and then this time click the Run as Administrator. And then wait for it to load up. So as you can see here, the issue has been resolved and Media Creation tool is running fine. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.